What is going on, guys? In this video, we're going to talk about how to fix the Astro A50s when they stop producing sound. So when the sound stops working, this is how to fix it. This is 2019, and these still have that problem sometimes. I had this problem today for about 30 minutes. I was trying to play some Call of Duty with my friend. I could not hear him, could not hear anything. I could hear stuff out of the TV, so it wasn't the TV's problem or the Xbox's problem. No one messed with my settings. So anyways, guys, this is how you fix it. So basically, you want to turn everything off. So just turn your headset off. So turn your headset off. First, double check that everything's plugged in. So there's my charging station right over there. As you guys see, it's on right now. I fixed the problem. So anyways, guys, yes, first turn the headset off. So turn that off right there. As you guys see, there's the power switch right on the right side of these headphones. So anyways, guys, once you do that, what you want to do is from the charging port or the port that plugs into the Xbox, from there, right there, you want to unplug the optical cord from there briefly, and then unplug the USB. Wait a couple seconds, and then replug in the USB, and then replug in the optical. And basically that right there, I know it sounds crazy, but that simply fixed the problem for me. Now you guys might be having the same problem, but this might not be the same. This might not be a working solution, but I hope it helps some of you guys out, so you guys don't have to waste like 30 minutes or whatever like I did trying to fix your headset when these are expensive headphones, and these are some of the best on the market. So anyways, I hope this helped out a lot of you guys, and yes, have a good day.